everyone. I just wanted to show you a new styling product that I've actually decided to start offering because I love using them and I think it's really cool for me to be able to offer things that I think work great to other wedding professionals and stylists and designers. So I'm going to show you, I just put together a pretty simple flat lay stationery layout for you right here because I just want to show you how these acrylic styling blocks work that I am now offering. I have a couple different sets and sizes available in my Etsy shop, but I'm just going to kind of disassemble this stationery layout so you can see how the blocks are working underneath everything, how they're, lifting the elements up so they create height and dimension. They're an awesome tool, and so let's just take a look at how they work within the flat lay design. All right, so this would be like your RSVP envelope, and you can see that I've placed a smaller square here underneath the actual envelope to lift it up above the elements that are around it to kind of draw more attention to it. Maybe you have a special piece within your invitation design that you really want to draw attention to. Maybe there's some gorgeous calligraphy, there's some hand-done artwork, something that you want to draw people's eye to. That's what these are great for. I also use them, under florals or pieces that you want to lift up. It's okay if they show, no big deal. It's kind of nice. That's why they're clear. You don't have to worry about them standing out too much. I am toying with the idea of offering some colored ones, but, just for fun. But these are great for, being, invisible basically, so that they don't cast color on your flat lay boards. This one's pink here that I'm using, so it already has a bit of color in it. But if you're, using it for a white background, or you have a product photography shoot that you want to, lift up the photography. If you want to lift up the object that you're photographing, and you maybe make it easier in Photoshop afterwards to remove the block, or to just make sure that the block is in the background and it's not the main item of focus for your flat lay. So here also for the main invite, you might be displaying the liner of the invitation here. I've used the largest block that I currently offer, which is a 4x6 option. They're all about 1/2 inch thick, and if you need something higher, you can always stack them, put them on top of each other if you need extra lift, make something really high that you want to showcase. So stacking is always an option. You maybe even just want to lift up your ring box. Just like that. I love that. And you can totally see the block. But, that's great. And, that would look great in the photograph. You maybe even draw a little bit more attention to it. Maybe you have the, the flower. So you get the idea. Create depth. You will get a little bit of shadowing, but, that's nice. That's what tells the eye when someone's looking at the photo that, okay, there's height there. There's more of a shadow. It's lifting it above. Some people do that digitally. When they're doing post in Photoshop, you can't always add that drop shadow, but it's nice to be able to have that naturally in the photograph, and to have these blocks with you when you're going out on a job, you're going to a wedding. They come in a really nice little linen bag that I'll ship them to you in. And the 5-set piece does come with a protective paper peel-off covering on them. Just helps prevent scratches when they're being shipped. So you get this bag, and you just grab this bag and throw it in with all your photography stuff. And then you're ready to go. You're ready to style. So thanks so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.